Wow, look at that.
Look at that unboxing. Oh, wow. I got it in my hands.
I know.
I got it in my hands. It has an apple smell. Look at it. It has an apple smell.
Really?
Yeah. It
Oh,
smells.
it does actually.
I
I
like
mean,
this smell.
It's like
I like the apple smell.
it feels like from a hospital or something. The smell.
Oh my God.
Did you? I think you
Just
gotta.
headband.
Do you need to remove that white thing, or is it actual headphones?
I could just remove
Oh,
the
there it
white
is.
thing.
There.
Oh, wait. It actually works.
Well, when you spend
could-
$560 on it,
Yeah.
it should work.
Yeah, just try it, please.
Okay. Oh yeah. I mean, we gotta play music though.
Okay, sing.
Let's connect.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
You're not even playing anything. Still so excited.
Oh my god! Oh my god! And we were wearing it.
Okay, get your iPad that you were showing us in the first video. Get your iPad. Let's connect it. Okay.
Go to settings.
Yes.
What? Click Bluetooth.
Mhm.
Bluetooth on.
Oh look, you gotta turn on your headphones.
I can still hear it.
Do you like it? I mean, we gotta play Dolby Atmos music. Yeah.
Oh yeah, on Apple Music.
Yeah. Let's connect to my phone. Okay, look. So now we're gonna play Dolby
With
Atmos.
Dolby Atmos.
The Weekend. Oh. Wait.
I can already feel it.
Yeah. Why Dolby Atmos got removed all of a sudden? Anyway. Look.
I can already feel it.
Yeah. You see, I just wanted to show the people that it's working. How do you like the sound?
I like it so much with the Dolby Atmos and the lossless audio.
Happy
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amal. Happy birthday to you. Wish something inside.
Nothing. I don't know.
Okay, wish for everybody who around you will be healthy and happy.
I
And you too.
wish for everybody to be around to be healthy and happy.
Yes. Yay! Go.
Wait, is it?
He wants to choose his wish.
Yay!
Be
Big
healthy
12!
and smart. Happy
Big 12.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey guys, TechAmal here. Welcome back to another video after 4 months. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I'm trying to upload more often. You see, about 4 months ago, I filmed a video, but I didn't tell you guys about myself. So I want to change that and tell you guys about myself. I was born in Uzbekistan in 2009. That country is in Asia and next to Russia. And I picked up a tablet and started playing games with it when I was 1 year old. When I was 1 year old in 2010, it was impressive for me to do that because I literally hold up an iPad, like in 2010 when the first iPad came out, I literally hold up an iPad and then like took it and played games with it. And I was one of the first children to do that. Since then, in 2014, I moved from Uzbekistan to America. And then I just like start like using tech, like I just started using iPad and like other people's phones and stuff to you know, play games and watch YouTube videos and stuff. And then in 2017, when we got our Dallas third house, I started like using tech more often. Like I started like using like my TV and my phone and like other people's phones and computers and stuff. And then like a few years later, I started watching tech reviewers and like my parents buy myself another iPad for me to use, and I started using that often. And I am watching tech reviewers because I love tech. And in 2020, I just love tech. I just love tech so much that I watch tech reviewers and Max Tech and iJustine and Marcus Brownlee and all of the above. In 2020, my parents bought me an Apple Watch SE, and in 2021, my parents bought me an M1 iPad Pro 12.9 inches. And then out of excitement, I made you guys a full review about that. And the question I want to answer is, why did I start my YouTube channel? Well, because I just love tech. I watched all these tech reviewers and decided that I want to be a tech reviewer too, and blow up and gain millions of subscribers and billions of views. The biggest takeaway from this video is that my parents are rich. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn all notifications so that you get notified when you see my videos. Okay, goodbye.